The forest is a wonderful place teeming with life, from the tallest trees, to animals, to majestic waterfall, to hidden secrets, but there is a tiny world that inhabits this world, a world within this world, and one that is important to the survival of this ecosystem. If we take closer look at this tiny hidden world, we would find a world we knew not existed, the world of bugs. There are estimated to be around 10 million species of insects on Earth. This number is based on current scientific estimates and could change as more species are discovered. It's important to note that only about 1 million of these species have been formally described and named. Insects are the most diverse group of animals on our planet, with a wide range of sizes, shapes, and behaviors. From tiny ants to colorful butterflies, they play essential roles in ecosystems around the world. Bugs, often seen as pests or nuisances, play a critical role in the health and balance of forest ecosystems. Their importance extends far beyond their small size. Here are some of the ways bugs contribute to the forest. Many forest plants rely on insects for pollination. Bees, butterflies, and other pollinators transfer pollen from one flower to another, enabling plants to reproduce and produce seeds. Pollination ensures genetic diversity within plant populations, which is essential for their survival. Nutrient cycling. Insects, such as beetles and ants, break down dead plants and animals. This decomposition process releases nutrients into the soil, which are then absorbed by plants. Soil health. Decomposition contributes to the formation of healthy, nutrient-rich soil, which is vital for supporting plant growth and preventing erosion. Insects serve as a primary food source for many forest animals, including birds, reptiles, amphibians, and small mammals. Predator control. Some insects, like ladybugs and lacewings, prey on other insects, helping to control populations of pests that can damage plants. Insects that burrow into trees create cavities that are used by woodpeckers and other birds for nesting and shelter. Dead wood, dead trees and decaying wood provide habitat for a variety of insects, which in turn support other wildlife. Health assessment. Changes in insect populations can be used as indicators of forest health. For example, a decline in certain insect species may signal environmental problems such as pollution or habitat loss. In conclusion, bugs are essential components of forest ecosystems. Their activities contribute to pollination, decomposition, nutrient cycling, and the creation of habitat for other organisms. By understanding the importance of bugs and protecting their habitats, we can help to maintain healthy and resilient forests.